Today we're changing the oil, the hydrostatic oil, in a 48-inch Exmark turf tracer, 2007 model year. We'll be using AMSOIL's hydrostatic transmission fluid to make the change. We're going to start by loosening the filter and draining all the hydrostatic transmission fluid out. Okay, and then once we got it drained, we're going to go ahead and pre-fill our filter. All right, we're going to let it soak up a little bit, and we'll top it off, and then we'll screw the filter back on and go ahead and fill up the reservoir. Once the cap is the oil filter's on, we're going to go ahead and fill up the reservoir. We're going to fill it until the cold mark is covered, and then we're going to check for leaks at the filter, and then we'll start it and run it for a few minutes and top off as needed. When you're done filling it up and checking for leaks, start it up, operate it for a little bit, make sure it's full, top off as needed. Thank you for watching.